again. We are going to study, let's set this up just a little, back a little further. We're going to be looking at 1.1b lesson, and this is on probability, and we're going to be looking at what happens when you use two dice. There was a link posted in this post on Google Classroom that if you don't have dice laying around your house, there's a digital version that's pretty quick if you'd rather use that. Okay, so what I'll probably ask you guys to do is you're gonna, first of all, we're gonna have two dice here. Where are my dice? We're gonna have, all right, so I've got my dice. Sorry about that, I had to grab them. Now, when we add that together, we get 5. Okay, I'm just giving you a couple of examples. When we add that together, we get 8. We're going to be rolling 30 times and recording here. Okay, so I think what I'll do, well, first of all, I'm going to take a guess at which horse, 2 through 12, I think will have the most showings. Okay, so I'm going to take a guess. You're going to take a guess. Okay, I'm going to let you guys guess first without hearing what my guess is. So go ahead and do that. And then you're going to want to pause me, and you're going to want to do 30 times. So let me give you an example of getting started here. So there's 5. There's 6. There's 8. There's 7. There's 5. Okay, so you're going to want to do that 30 times. It's really important to keep track of 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already have 5. Don't go over because you won't be able to backtrack. You won't remember which ones to cross off. Okay, so go ahead and pause. Okay. Now, I'm going to just take my data that I had last time I did this. Okay, let me make sure that's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Only 28. What am I missing? 2 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Aha. That's what I was missing. All right, so there is my data. Yours will look different. Okay, so the horse that won for me, do you see that I have a tie here between 7 and 8? 7 and 8 tied. Okay, it says list your groups, experimental probability in simplest form for each outcome. So the probability of horse 2 winning was 0 chances out of 30, which reduces, simplifies to 0. Okay, the probability of horse 3 is 1 chance out of 30. That's simplified. 4 would be 2 out of 30. 1/15 for me. So go ahead and you can pause me, and I want you to fill this out for your data. Yours is going to be different than mine. So go ahead and pause me, and I'll continue to fill mine in. Okay, so it says list the horse that won for each of the groups in your class. Which horse won the most often? So we're going to go ahead and do numbers 5, 6, 7. We're going to go ahead and do 5, 6, and 7 when I see you in class, because that's going to be dependent on what we all, as a class, got as far as our results from that top part. Okay, so we're going to skip on down to, let's skip on down to number 9, I think would be a good one. Okay, we're going to do 9, 10, and 11. And then I'm purposefully leaving 5, 6, 7, and 8 blank so that we can come together as a class and finish that. Okay. All right, so number 9. The ways in getting a 2 are 1 and 1. So those are the only ways to get a 2. Okay. Now let me get my other dice here. I'll use those in a second. Okay, a way to get a 3 would be a 1, 2 or a 2, 1. Okay, some of you are sitting there going, isn't that the same thing? Okay. So there's a 2, 1. Couldn't I have also rolled a 1 on this red one and a 2 on this white one? That would have been a whole different way to get 3. It's very important to understand that. 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay, now think about 2, 2. Okay, is there another way to get a 2, 2? No. Maybe like that, but isn't that the same 2, 2? They just landed differently. Okay, there's no other 2 on this, and there's no other 2 on this. All right, for 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. For a 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. For a 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. For an 8, 2 and a 6, a 3 and a 5, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 3, and a 6 and a 2. For a 9, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. For a 10, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. For an 11, 5, 6, 6, 5. For a 12, 6, 6. Okay, so those are the various outcomes when you are rolling two dice. Okay. All right, so how many total outcomes did you get? If I count all these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down, there are 36 total outcomes. Okay, this and this are super, super key. Okay, so the system I did, I just counted the numbers on the dice that totaled to the horse number when adding them together. All right. Use the above information to determine the probability in simplest form for each outcome. All right, so probability of 1. Okay, why isn't there a 1 in this table? Okay, think of two dice. You'd have to have a 0 on the dice to get 1, the sum of 1. That can't happen. So 0 out of 36 total possibilities would reduce to 0. Probability of a 2 is 1 chance out of 36. Probability of a 3 is 2 chances out of 36, which reduces to 1/18. I'm sorry, 536. Where am I getting this? Sorry, guys. Back up. 36. I don't know where I was getting the 30. 3 out of 36 is 1/12. 4 out of 36 is 1/9. 5 out of 36 is just 5 over 36. Okay, sorry about that. My denominator got messed up there. Okay, probability of a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 36, which is 1/6. Probability of an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 36. 9, 4 36 reduces to 1/9. 10 is 3 36, reduces to 1/12. 11 is 2 36, which is 1/18. And 12 is 1/36. Okay, so here's my question. If you were a horse, 2 through 12, which one would you like to be? Okay, does everybody understand that horse number 7 has a higher chance in winning than any other horse? Horse number 2 and horse number 12 has the least chance in winning. Okay, so it's very important to understand when you roll 2 dice what this means and how to take some probabilities from it. Okay. All right, so when I see you in class, we will definitely touch back on this 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, thanks, guys.